In the vast cosmic theater, we often marvel at the beauty of twinkling stars and colorful nebulae. But space isn't always serene. It's a realm of unimaginable power, where entire galaxies can collide and stars can explode with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the most violent cosmic events ever recorded. These are the celestial catastrophes that have shaped our universe and continue to awe scientists and stargazers alike. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine a flash of light so intense it could be seen across billions of light years with the naked eye. That's exactly what happened on March 19, 2008. For a fleeting 40 seconds, GRB 080319b became the brightest object ever observed from Earth, outshining even the brightest stars and galaxies. But what caused this cosmic spotlight? Picture two massive stars locked in a deadly dance. As they spiral closer, they merge and collapse, birthing a black hole in a violent explosion. This cataclysm unleashed a jet of energy so powerful it briefly outshone the entire universe in gamma rays. If this burst had occurred within our galaxy, it would have fried Earth's atmosphere and triggered a mass extinction. Luckily for us, it happened 7.5 billion light years away, giving us a spectacular light show instead of an apocalypse. Right now, our galactic neighbor Andromeda is hurtling towards us at 402,000 kilometers per hour. In about 4 billion years, our night sky will be dominated by this approaching behemoth, signaling the beginning of a cosmic merger that will reshape our galactic neighborhood. But don't panic. Despite the enormous scale of this collision, the vast distances between stars mean that stellar collisions will be rare. Instead, gravitational forces will fling stars into new orbits, creating a cosmic ballet that will unfold over millions of years. The result? A new, massive elliptical galaxy that astronomers have dubbed Milkomeda. Our sun will likely be tossed to the outskirts of this new galaxy, giving any future observers a front-row seat to this galactic metamorphosis. On July 4, 1054 AD, Chinese astronomers recorded a guest star in the constellation Taurus, visible even in broad daylight for 23 days. Unbeknownst to them, they were witnessing the violent death of a star 6,500 light-years away. This cosmic explosion, now known as Supernova 1054, was so bright it could be seen during the day for weeks and remained visible to the naked eye for nearly 2 years. The remnants of this stellar cataclysm formed the Crab Nebula, a ghostly cloud of gas and dust that continues to expand at nearly 1,500 kilometers per second. Today, at the heart of the Crab Nebula lies a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, the ultra-dense corpse of the original star. This cosmic lighthouse beams radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, a lasting testament to one of the most energetic events in our galactic backyard. In July 1994, astronomers witnessed an unprecedented event, a comet smashing into a planet. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, having been torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, collided with the gas giant in a series of spectacular impacts. Each fragment hit with the force of 300 million atomic bombs, creating Earth-sized scars in Jupiter's atmosphere. The largest impact released 600 times more energy than all the world's nuclear weapons combined. This cosmic collision was a stark reminder of the violent nature of our solar system. It also highlighted Jupiter's role as our cosmic shield, its immense gravity often attracting potential Earthbound impactors. About 4.5 billion years ago, our young Earth experienced a collision that would forever change its destiny. A Mars-sized object, which scientists have named Theia, slammed into our planet with unimaginable force. The impact vaporized Theia and a significant portion of Earth's crust, flinging debris into orbit. Over time, this orbiting material coalesced to form our moon. This cataclysmic event not only gave us our celestial companion, but also tilted Earth's axis, giving us our seasons. Without this cosmic game of billiards, life as we know it might never have evolved. In 2006, astronomers observed an explosion so bright they had to create a new classification, hypernova. SN 2006 GY was 100 times more energetic than a typical supernova and 5 times brighter than any previously observed stellar explosion. This cosmic behemoth likely began its life as a star 150 times more massive than our sun. When it died, it didn't just collapse into a black hole like most massive stars. Instead, it underwent a process called parinstability, where energy turned directly into matter, causing a runaway thermonuclear explosion. SN 2006 GY showed us that the universe had more explosive surprises up its sleeve than we ever imagined. Imagine a cosmic monster so voracious it consumes the equivalent of 60 suns every day. That's TO1618, the largest known black hole in the observable universe. With a mass of 66 billion suns, This supermassive black hole powers a quasar, so bright it outshines entire galaxies. The energy output of TO1618 is equivalent to 140 trillion suns. This cosmic giant reminds us of the mind-boggling scales at play in our universe and hints at the powerful forces that shaped the early cosmos. 1E0657-56, better known as the Bullet Cluster, is the site of a cosmic collision that provided the first direct evidence for dark matter. About 150 million years ago, two galaxy clusters passed through each other at speeds of millions of kilometers per hour. The collision separated the visible matter, mostly gas, from the invisible dark matter. X-ray observations showed the gas clouds slowing down and heating up, while gravitational lensing revealed that most of the mass continued unimpeded. This celestial crash test dummy showed us that dark matter is real and doesn't interact with regular matter, fundamentally changing our understanding of the universe. From star-swallowing black holes to galaxy-shattering collisions, these cosmic cataclysms remind us of the raw power shaping our universe. They challenge our understanding of physics and fuel our curiosity about the cosmos. But remember, for every destructive event, there's creation too. These cosmic forges have given us the elements that make up our world and the conditions that allow life to flourish. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're witnessing the aftermath of billions of years of cosmic violence, painting a serene tableau of stars. If this cosmic roller coaster has ignited your curiosity, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending space content. Share this video with fellow space enthusiasts and let us know in the comments, which of these cosmic events fascinated you the most? Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.